like Amador area, Amador County, and we have an 11-year-old trying to get her first turkey right now. We're inside of someone's garage, my cousin's garage, and we're trying to get turkeys to come into the backyard. I have a camera up over here. We're gonna try and get some kill shots, but we're gonna get her on a shot first. We have a hen on top of the hill, so we're gonna see how this goes. We have 5 birds coming in right now. 3 jakes. We're gonna try to get her to shoot Jake. the kill? Yep, that's him.
I shot him.
Take it back on.
Good job.
I was like completely like doubting myself right there. I was like a moment in self-doubt. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna shoot it.
Good job.
Did he just roll over? He just rolled over.
He's still holding his head up.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Hey,
He just died.
good job. Go get your bird.
Go get your bird. Good job. Awesome job. All right, let's go get your bird.
Here, come this way. This way's a little easier.
Oh, he took like the worst spot.
So when you grab them, you want to grab them by the feet. You
Oh,
want
he's
to grab
still
them firm. No, go grab them. You want to grab them by the feet. You want to grab them by the firm because that's the only thing that's going to hurt you. And you might flop a little bit, but just grab them. You got to be in charge.
Grab them hard by the feet. Don't be timid about it.
Do it.
Grab it. Yeah,
I don't want
don't think
to.
about it. Don't think about it. Just jump in there and go grab both the feet and pull it out.
I don't want to. Why can't you do it?
It's your bird. Let's go.
I don't want
Come on, you got it.
to. I don't.
Ah.
You gotta grab them. You can't just hit them like that. You have to grab them.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
I cannot.
Just grab his feet. Let's go.
I'm just gonna wait till he takes his last breath.
This probably already happened.
No, it hasn't. He's still breathing. Can see it.
He's mostly dead.
Yeah, he ain't gonna fight back. He's done.
Come on.
Good job. Grab it, pull him. There you go. Pull him up the hill. It's actually a nice bird for a Jake. That's a pretty big Jake.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it? A little heavy.
The almighty Jake.
The almighty Amelia.
Hey.
Is that like Amelia? Here, look at me. Is that like Amelia Almighty?
He's so heavy.
Keep going.
So we just cleaned the bird and we actually pulled out a 22 lead shot out of it, and we actually had to cut off some of the breast meat because there was actually like green poisoning all over it. So it was really interesting to see this. I've never seen this on an animal before. But then again, if we shoot anything with the 22, we just leave it like a crown squirrel or something like that. But this is why we can't shoot lead in California, because either it gets stuck in something and poisons it, or they would eat it and it would poison them from the inside as well. So perfect example why you shouldn't shoot lead in California. That's why we used probably steel shot most likely today. But yeah, see if we can get back on one with my bow later. Day 4. We're back in the same area. We're actually going to try and go up the hill a little bit today. It's about 6 a.m. so we have plenty of time. The sun's not even up yet, and we have another guy coming in who's from about 2.5 hours away. I drove 2 hours, so we'll see. I don't even know who's shooting though. But should be a good day. Saw lots of birds yesterday, and we'll get going. Day 4. So we just sat under a tree for a good half an hour after we changed locations a few more times. And earlier this morning too, but heard them down gobble, but they're back in town. Several hundred yards away, they wouldn't come in. But we just heard, almost stuck. We just heard a gobbler spitting and drumming a few hits, but they're just not watering and they're not coming in at all. But at least it beats Popo Gangway, that for sure. Really, really pretty out here. This, see what happens. I might honestly back it in soon. I might go check out some PLM land. We shall see.